Welcome to HTML course for beginners. So in my last video, uh, we finished till this tag elements. So today, we are continuing the semantic HTML. What is semantic HTML? Attributes are additional pieces of information that can be added to HTML elements to modify the behavior to provide extra details. Okay, no, I guess this was that. Okay, we were gonna do structuring content, right? Yes, we were continuing structuring content. H1, H2, H6. I have shown this paragraphs, lists, and divisions. The div element is a generic container used to group and structure content. It is commonly used with CSS for layout purposes. Okay, so divs are mostly used for this. Okay, so here I have used one div for making these shapes. All these shapes you can see. So I made that using div. That's the use of divs or divisions. Then we have sections, then we have headers, footers, then navigation, article, as a containing piece of a side, used for sidebars. Okay, we use a side for sidebars. I don't have any side used here. This, like this, you can see this side things, this thing. They probably use a side, I guess. Then link and navigation. Okay, so let's continue with sections. Okay, here we have. Just let me show you how a div is used. Just put it here. Um, as box. I can do like that, and I can add a class here. Box. And at the CSS, I can do something like dot box, and then do height 100 pixel with 100 pixel, and then I can do background as black, and then I can do the text color as it, like that. I can use divs for like that, and also other purposes. Now we have section. Then I can do here ID, uh, about, uh, then I can do hello is comma, then folder dash grammar and with coding like that. So that's the use of section. It's done. That's the use of section. Now I can do this abouts. I can do attribute href hashtag abouts. So it will just take me to the, what was that, about section. So let me just do so this box now. For now, let me just increase the height so that this thing goes down. Okay, that's way too much. Not at 1000. See, now it has went down. Now if I click here, this second pick, I wrote here second pick. Let me just change to abouts. And if I click on abouts, why isn't it ID abouts? Section ID abouts target underscore blank. Let me try to remove it. Okay, see, it took me to the abouts. Let me show you again. here about it took me to the bottom part. Okay, so that's section like you can do some contact, you can put contacts about all that here in the section part. Then we have headers and footers. So you guys must know what a header and footer is. Like the headers is at the top. It is the header here. I put this is the header. Now like here in my website you can see, so this part is the header, this thing, this top part, and then I have footer, this part is the footer, my social media accounts, copyrights, like that. That's the footer and that's the header. So I get some style here, so it looks good. So that's the use of header footer, pretty simple. Now you guys may think like if I just put footer and header it will automatically go to the bottom. No, it won't. You must add some styles here. See, this is the footer. This did not went at the absolute bottom. I can put this footer anywhere at the top also. I would have to use some CSS to make it go to the bottom, or just write some old text and all that, and like that. Write this. We have then navigation used to define a section of navigation link. It typically contains other pages within a website section. Contains links to other pages. Let's just make one tab. Let me just do this. Then remove it. Then here we go. Let's nav. Why isn't it working? Refresh. Okay, it's already at the bottom. No. Okay. Now if we click, it clicks at the bottom. Let's nav navigation. Now we have articles. Articles are a self-contained piece of content that can be distributed independently. It is often used for blog posts, news articles. Okay, so that's for the use of article. Then aside, I have told articles. It's just that this is an article on a new uh, programming language. You can put a new article. Okay, the new article. This is uh, new. Okay, so that's the articles. Aside, I have told the use of side, links and navigation, ensure. We have already seen how to use this ensure tag. Then with internal links, we use hashtag, like I have showed in this hashtag abouts. That's for internal link here, like this, and external links like reviewed. https:// youtube.com, like that. So that's for external link. and hashtag is used for internal link. Then navigation menus provide a structured container of links and navigation to a website. They are typically created using a list and style using CSS to create horizontal polygon menus. Each menu is wrapped in and short tag to create clickable links. Uh, no, my website does not use this like that. Okay, it's not working for some reason. Let me try to refresh. Okay, it's not working. I don't know why not working. Okay, so let me just show what a navigation menu looks like. Consider a logical structure of websites and design looking for. This is site navigation structure like that. Python, HTML, CSS, JS. Okay, navigation menu. Let me just open VS Code. Then here, uh, we do unordered list item. And here we make an anchor tag and here YouTube and HTTPS like that. Then use paste, change the name, this background, and just Instagram.com, then GitHub, then to GitHub.com. So here you can see all this. So here you can like make this so that others can click here and then they will be taken to your channels and all that. I click here on YouTube, youtube.com/Mr. Sorry, here activate like that. Click the subscribe button, okay, and also all notification for new videos and images and multimedia. Basic styling, cascading, images and multimedia, image tag. I guess I have showed how to use image tag. Okay, yes, I have showed how to use image tags. Image format. Okay, images you guys must know. Like if you just go to any image, if I have just like this image, it's inspect here. This is an image. You can see. I can just see here. It's projects.png. It's a PNG form. PNG we can just give SPG, JPG, and yeah, SPG scalable vector graphics. This is SPG. This is a SPG. Like the pixels don't break in SVG. Let's reset it. Image format, then responsive images. Using CSS, we can just change like the width and height of images. Here, I made it small. Okay, just like that. As I increase this width, the size of image will increases. This is responsive images. Alternative HTML provides the src set attribute which allows you to specify multiple this files a different resolution in every browser system most appropriate. Okay. Mm, multimedia content. In addition to images, HTML support embedding videos. Okay, let me just show embedding external content, video, audio, sound, cloud accessibility, provide alternate text images to ensure. Okay, this just means that we must use ALT in case your image has some errors in displaying in their browser. Now we can use video tag to show videos. Let me just use one video file, some random videos, YouTube videos, my shorts, buy me a cup of coffee. Okay, then go to index.html. Here I can buy me a coffee.mp4, and then okay, here you can see this video is on here, but I cannot play it right now. You will do here controls. Now you can play this video here, and then there is no sound here. Let me just open in browser. Okay, so that's the video tag for iframe. You can just see this one. Like I am using external video like the YouTube here. You can see this using video. Video. Embed multimedia content from external sources such as YouTube films from external using the iframe. Okay, and iframe is being used here. Like if I just take any of my video and I share, then for embedding, you can see here iframe with height and all that. Slowly. So for getting YouTube videos on your website, you use the iframe. Then multimedia, audios. Okay, for audios, let me just get one more. Let peaceful with any random. Too tired. Okay, here I have this in index. I do here audio. On SRC we have more audio too tired. You can okay, where's the audio? Let me just move this first of all. You can see like you cannot see any audio like play pause anywhere here. Just to control, I guess it must show now. Yes, if I move it, it just went again somewhere hidden. Okay, now after typing controls, you can see here controls. You can adjust the speed, UX, and volume. Okay, so that's the audio tech. Then basic styling, image, responsive image. Okay, we covered all this. Now basic styling. Okay, style attribute contains CSS includes. Okay, let's do inline styles. Okay, wait. Okay, what are the types of styling? Inline style, internal style, CSS property, inline. Like we can link the CSS in like three forms. Like you can do within the HTML within the tag like your div, then I can put your style. Now see, after putting style, you must put one equals and then double inverted commas. I'm using VS Code so it automatically detects that it must put this thing. And I can put here styles like height of 100 pixel and then width of 100 pixel. Then I can put one background here red like that. Or I can use um style tag here. See, I'm using one style tag. Now here I can just give dot uh ball. Okay, it's just to dot double. See, for classes you use dot, and if it was an ID, you will use hashtag. Okay, this is dot because I'm using class, and if I'm using ID, I will use hashtag. Okay, here also I can just do with 100 pixel height, 100 pixel. Then I can put the background color to black, and then I can do border radius 50%. Now it's a circle. That's a ball. Or I can use external CSS like this. If I just do, see, I have put one CSS here with body background red. Now you can see for now it is white. Now if I do link CSS rel style sheet href style.css, you can see the background became red as soon as I remove this. See, now it's white again. So this is linking CSS from external um, pages, external file. This is internal CSS inline style, CSS properties, selector cascading and specifying multiple internal source and external. Okay, I've specified this like internal, external, all that. Just let me show you some of the CSS properties. Let me just make a new file here. CSS dot html. Now I can do use this. Okay, use this sign, this exclamation, and then you will have this ready. Now here I will put one style. Let's just make a simple um put it over here. Let's make a h1 hello world. Now suppose you want to put this text at the center. So what you will do is you will take h1 because you're using h1, then we will do h1. Now okay, wait, first of all let's do uh text align center. Now it is aligned at the center. Uh Here I can put one more h1 and then do is cent cent. This is centered. Now suppose you don't want to make this h1 at the center, you just want this text to be at the center. You can do something like class center and then just do dot center. So now it is at the center, and it hello world is not at the center. Or you can do something like h1 is to empty h child 2. Now what it is doing is it is taking the second child. This is the first one, first H1, and this is the second H1. It's making the second H1 at the center. Okay. Mm, Now, like suppose this font does not look good. What you will do is you will go here and like type font family, and then let's do Arial, Arial. Now it's Arial. Like that, you can choose any font. Just make both of these Arial and centered. Now, suppose you don't like this color, you want to make this into some other colors like blue, red, whatever. So I will do here COLOR color. Then we will do here cyan. See, now it is cyan. Now suppose you want to change the background of this. Okay, so you will put here background red. Now the background of H1 is red. Okay, just remove it. Now let's just do with some other div. Okay, div. We'll do here with 10 pixel height, 10 pixel. So okay, let me just do one background red. Okay, now what is this pixel? In images, you must have seen some pixels like here. Oh man, why can't? Okay, I'm recording, so I cannot click in this. Mm, like in images, you can see that it has some specific pixels like this. This is 900 into 900 pixel image. Like if I zoom, you can see the pixels here. So that's the pixel. We have other like that, like PC. Okay, then we also have centimeter, cm, that's 100 centimeter. I can do 10 centimeter. Okay, like that. um Better use pixel. Okay. 100 pixel, 100 pixel. So that's basic CSS. If you need a video for CSS, just comment down and just comment CSS, and I will make one video on CSS. Subscribe.